everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shivani. If you want to subscribe my channel, do subscribe it right away so that you'll receive my uploads as soon as I upload my video within no time. So now, many of the comments or some of the comments that are repeatedly I've seen is how to apply for a job or how to get an email, how to uh, attend the interview by getting a mail. For example, everyone is asking, right? To whichever the company you go, they're asking some of the other email reference candidates. So how to get that email is the question, ultimate question of them. I understood, I got their point, but to the extent of knowledge or to the extent of information I know about it, I would like to share this in this video. Try not to skip the video and listen to till the end so that it will be a little or a small thing of that point could be useful for you. So the first thing is to apply a job, we have many platforms. Like not only this Naukri, Jobs, Sora, there are many platforms that will help you to get or receive the updates regarding your role that you are keeping in. For example, you are uploading a Naukri profile. Everything that you upload and give the details about it, it will send you the relevant information or relevant job details to the resume that you have uploaded. So Naukri and LinkedIn, JobSora, there are different platforms in which it might be a part to help you to get into a job. If you have any walk-ins, for example, if you have walk-ins from some or the other particular companies, it will be helpful for direct walk-in and show them if it's necessary. And to get an email, to get an email, you need to have reference candidates. If you know someone from that particular company, he will help you to get an email by referring you. They will have a different platform or different place to refer you by updating your details where you will receive the email from them, so that this email can be used to enter into the company. This email will be as a referred email in which you can get in which you will be entered by showing it. Either of the way, you have the career website for every company. For example, Optum, Cotiviti, whichever the company you are applying, look over to this career website. For example, take Cotiviti careers website. You will be able to apply it to some of the extent, some of the other extent. You will be able to apply for this role. So try in that career websites. And the main thing is you will be joining in the institutes, right? Like for example, when you are joining, before the prior of your admission in your institute, you will be said as you will be given with a job placement for 100% assurity. They need not give any job placement. At least follow them for any jobs if there are any, because they will get the information from HRs. Either in some of the way they will get the information, so that they can at least impart that information to you in either referring you. The only way to get emails is either through referred candidates from that particular company, either through some of the institutes where they will help you to refer. They will help you to refer so that you will get the email as the reference. That is the only way. If there are any ways, you can also try them, but this, as far as I know, this is the only way I also do it. And through references, career website, it will be better if you get to careers website. And it's better if you go to that particular company, not on the day of the interview, but at least when you attend the interview, there will be so many. Whenever you attend the interview, or else whenever you go to that particular company, you can interact with lot of people. Like, what is the website for this particular company, what is the way to apply for this job role. Or there will be some, I when I used to upload when I used to apply for my jobs, I used to text some HRs by searching them in the Google, like what is the HR email for so and so company. I used to text them. Some of the emails I get message, or some of the emails you may not get. Like, that is not the way, but you can also try that way. How did I get this information? By interacting with the people in that particular company. Whenever you get the chance, try to go to the interview, try to go to that particular company, try to interact with the people. You will at least know some information from them. That is the only thing I want to say you. Try to get the information. This is the only way that you can get the emails or the application of job. Careers website is one of the website where you can apply jobs. That is what I can know as far as, or else you should know by your friends, by having a long or the chain of a friends that help you to impart the information from one to other. That is the only way as the far as I know. So don't worry about that. Try to think of it and try to check with the companies as well. And you will have some platforms. For example, you will have some WhatsApp platforms like medical codings related groups will be there where they will upload everything. Try to check that groups. WhatsApp channels will be there. Try to check that groups also, so that you will receive the updates regarding the job post. Everything will be received. Okay. Then on also that can also contribute you uh, part of being a part of the interview. Okay, this is the only information that I have with me. If I get any, I'll try to upload my videos to help you all in every possible way I can. If you have any doubts, ping me in the comment section, so I'll try my best to reply it. But don't forget to subscribe. Do right away. Thank you.